there! Dumbledore here to talk to you about J.K. Rowling, often called the wizard behind the Harry Potter books. In just a few years, Rowling has come from living on welfare in government housing to being one of the richest and most famous authors of our time. Rowling was able to reap the benefits of her phenomenally popular books, along with associated spin-offs, including movies and merchandise, because her creative works were protected under intellectual property laws. Intellectual property laws confer exclusive rights on intangible products of creative thought. IP laws are designed to facilitate and encourage the pursuit of innovation and the disclosure of knowledge into the public domain for the common good, by granting authors and inventors exclusive rights to exploit their works for a limited period. Intellectually and artistically gifted people have the right to prevent unauthorized use or sale of their creations, just the same as owners of physical property, such as cars, buildings, and stores. Now, imagine a world without IP protections. I shall now cast a spell to revoke all the IP laws of the world. Let's take a look at the fate of Rowling and her Harry Potter books. Now we shall see the magic behind these laws.
Hi, Jack.
Hey, Joe. How's it going?
It's pretty good. I've got a new script from my new children's book. And I was wondering if you could just like wait for it and see what you think.
Oh yes, definitely. I can take a look at that.
Cool, thanks.
Yeah.
Oh well, I'm running really late for my boss, so just get back to me, okay?
Okay.
All right.
Will do.
Thanks.
Without further ado, we are honored today to recognize the man behind the global literary sensation Harry Potter, Mr. Jack York.
We have 6 books and 4 films. Harry Potter is a world sensation. It's a multi-billion-dollar industry, and you know that I got my cut of that.
You b****ers! You stole my books! You piece of
What? You? How did you get in here?
I am the real author of Harry Potter books! I am J.K. Rowling!
What? I did nothing wrong. I took that book and I gave it to the rest of the world, so that the whole public could benefit from it. There's no law against what I did.
I spent years writing those books, and now look at me, I'm homeless because of your greedy
Now the whole world loves Harry Potter, and they love me too.
I hope you're on an you motherfucking son of a Good afternoon, Britain. It has been a few years now since intellectual property rights have been established, and many authors and creators have taken full advantage of these newly stated rights. I'm here today in the castle fancying tea with one of the most famous authors, J.K. Rowling.
Would you fancy some tea?
Now, J.K. Rowling, how have IP laws changed your life?
Intellectual property laws gave me the opportunity to have credit for my own work.
How does it feel to be the second richest entertainer in the world?
Oh, it's spectacular. It feels so great to be recognized for something that I did.
And for my final question, Joanna, what do you feel, or rather what do you think, is the most important aspect of intellectual property law?
I find the most important aspect of intellectual property laws is the protection it gives to authors' works. It also encourages young authors to be more creative and express themselves more freely because the work is going to be protected for sure. And now new copyright laws punish those who steal somebody else's work.
Thanks, Britton, for joining us on this special occasion. And thank you, J.K. Rowling, for spending your time talking to us about how intellectual property rights have changed your life. J.K. Rowling, thank you so much for having us here in your castle today.
Oh dear, that was great! To intellectual property laws!
To IP laws!